In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a passkey on crypto.com. Making your account secure is crucial in today's digital world, and one effective way to enhance your security is by setting up a passkey. Today, we'll guide you through this process with easy steps so you can confidently secure your account. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to the crypto.com homepage. You can enter the URL directly into your browser's address bar or simply search for it using your favorite search engine. Once you've reached the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the site. Getting comfortable with the site's interface will make navigating to the necessary sections much easier. Once you're on the homepage, direct your gaze towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the settings icon. Clicking this will lead you to a navigation menu where various account options are laid out for you. It's here that you can make a myriad of changes and updates pertaining to your account, so it's worth remembering how to get here for future use. After clicking on Settings, a menu will open laden with various options. Look for the Passkeys section. This is where we'll focus our attention today. Click on Passkeys, and it'll take you to the Passkey settings page. Passkeys are a form of digital security that not only safeguard your account, but also simplify the login process by eliminating the need to rely solely on traditional passwords. With the Passkeys page open, you're just one click away from creating a passkey. You'll see a Create Passkey button. Go ahead and click on that. This action will start the process of setting up your passkey. Depending on your device and your security preferences, you might need to authenticate this action using biometric information such as a fingerprint or facial recognition, or you might be prompted to enter your account password for verification. This step ensures that only you have the authority to create passkeys for your account. Once you've authenticated, the system will guide you through the rest of the setup process. Follow the prompts closely to complete setting up your passkey. When you've finished, your account will have added security, and you'll have an efficient way to access it in the future. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward process to bolster your crypto.com account with a passkey. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Stay safe online and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your account is secure.